Welcome back. We're going to start you off with another look at that almanac. Normally this time of the year, we're sitting at high temperatures in the mid-80s and waking up to lows in the mid-60s. If you had a chance to be outside lately, you know that we have been well above that. Today we did pick up a bit of precipitation, about 1/100th of an inch after that first round of some severe showers and thunderstorms made their way through the St. Joseph area. Today, in fact, we were 9 degrees above that average high temperature for today, reaching 95 degrees and waking up to a low temperature only into some low 70s, 72 degrees in St. Joseph. Right now, St. Joseph in the state of Missouri is one of the cooler spots, actually, right at 80 degrees, but 80 degrees is the trend. Kirksville, though, even chillier, up at 74 degrees. Taking a look at that satellite and radar composite, we can see that we do have some clouds left behind from those showers who made their way through the area last night. Those are going to be quickly dissipating, though, not only into tomorrow, but throughout the rest of the work week. They have worked their way very far off to the east, bringing along those green patches, which indicate some showers and thunderstorms. But thanks to a high jet stream, we have another low pressure system that's going to be working its way through the country's midsection throughout the week, but pushing straight on up into the Dakotas and Canada. Cold front is going to work its way into some northern portions of Missouri and on into Iowa. However, right now it looks like it's going to be staying dry and hot as we work our way into the area. Come Monday, there are going to be some showers throughout the Midwest, but staying well off to our north and east. That low pressure, though, is just going to help to fuel in some heat off to the west and make it extremely humid for us here in Missouri. Taking a look now at that big picture throughout the United States, we have some quite pleasant weather sticking around and up into the Pacific Northwest, but take a look at this purple line here. That is the jet stream. That's what takes this nice weather, follows along almost like a train track, pushes it all the way up into Canada, making it so that we get high pressure in the country's midsection, rotating in a clockwise motion by midweek, hitting mid-Missouri, helping to bring in a southerly breeze, fueling in some Gulf moisture, which means not only is it going to be hot out there due to all that sunshine, but very humid. Heat indices excess of 100 degrees out there. Tonight, though, not a bad night to go outside and maybe stargaze a bit, reaching a low temperature in some low to mid-70s, south-southwesterly breeze. That southwesterly breeze, though, is going to pick up a bit tomorrow at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. A day very similar to today, a few clouds still looming in the area, high temperature into the mid-90s, but take a look at this though. Monday, a few clouds sticking around, but then sunshine will dominate the forecast, allowing that temperature to jump up into some upper 90s. Looks like we won't hit an actual temperature into the triple digits, but that heat index is going to be the killer with that southerly breeze and humidity, making it feel closer to 100 to 105 degrees out there. So it's going to be extra careful, or extra important rather, that you are staying hydrated out there, being extra generous with your sunscreen. And if you're headed out to the pool, make sure to not only remember those two, but wear that light, loose-fitted clothing. And if you're going to be exercising, try and hold off till the early morning hours, because that's when we're going to be coolest out there.
105 is a bit too much, Elizabeth.
Exactly. Make sure that AC is cranked up and working.
All right. Thanks a lot, Elizabeth. Well, it seems like, as hot as it is these days, bowling would be a pretty good little activity to have inside in the air conditioning, right?
Exactly. Nice chance to go inside and get away from the heat. Tonight, though, just a quick look. It's going to be into the mid-70s. A few clouds still lingering on into tomorrow, when it's going to be similar to today's temperature at 95 degrees, and then just heat up as we work our way through the work week and into your 4th of July.
All right. Well, thanks a lot, Liz. That's all we have for you tonight here on KQ2. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.